you the notes, but today I'll just show you this. We did combustion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to do this combustion of charcoal and combustion of magnesium ribbon. We have to do it. We'll do it later on. Then this combustible and non-combustible we already did, right? Then conditions also we did, right? Enough oxygen and all that we did, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And after that, inflammable substance we already did, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We haven't considered this fire extinguisher, right?
No, ma'am, we did it.
We did it.
Yes.
Okay. What you wrote? Just a minute. I have that notes. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, I didn't write it though, but we did it in class. We discussed it.
Yeah. So we did know we have to make notes now.
Yes.
Okay. So Swar, just give me 1 minute. I'm just sharing the PDF which from where you made notes. Okay. So that we can compare what we did, and if we find some good things over there, we'll be covering that as well. Can you see my screen? Yes, no, maybe.
Ma'am, I have done this.
Yeah, combustion we did. This also we did. Inflammable substance you already did. These are the conditions. We already did this. Types of combustion we did, right? You wrote it.
Wait, I'll just check. Combustion important types of combustion. Yes. Flame. Flame
After
also
that,
I
flame
did.
also you did. Okay, this you haven't done.
Yeah, diagram I drew. You told me to do.
Okay, this also you wrote it. Dark zone,
Yes,
luminous.
ma'am. Then I
Okay.
also did fuel, good fuel.
Okay, good fuel you did.
Yes, I have to start from fuel efficiency.
Okay. So just write it down. Fuel efficiency. Okay. So I hope, okay, let me just explain the things quickly. Okay, but I think you are getting it because we already discussed the chapter, right? So any problem in the previous note, like any topic you are not getting, like when you wrote it?
No, ma'am, we discussed it in the class, so and we discussed in my school also, so there was no
Okay, good. So
confusion.
good fuel. Yeah, fuel efficiency. Just quickly write it down and just give me 1 minute. Fuel efficiency will be starting it from here as well. Types of combustions, complete and okay. Okay, so first of all, you wrote fuel, right? You wrote
Yes, ma'am.
good fuels, and now you are going to write types of fuels. Okay, so fuels can be classified on the basis of their physical state. So solid fuels are those resources that are found in solid state at room temperature. These leave some ash and residue after combustion, right? For example, coal and wood and all that. Liquid fuel are those resources that are found in liquid state at room temperature. They burn completely and don't leave any residue, right? Remains.
Okay.
Then gaseous are those found in gaseous state at room temperature. They burn completely at and are highly flammable. They are the most flammable among three states. Gaseous one are the highest. You can say highly flammable.
Okay.
Okay. So what you will write? Hashtag fuels can be classified on the basis of their physical state. Okay.
Ma'am, so I have to write this down.
Yes, you have to write down hashtag fuels can be classified on the basis of their physical state, first, second, and third. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, first we wrote fuel and its efficiency, then below that we are
No, no,
writing
no, no, no.
efficiency of fuel.
No, no, no. Just like you have written about fuel, okay, right? And then you have to just make a hashtag over here. Fuels can be classified. Then we will do efficiency of fuel. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You
Ma'am,
wrote
but
about
what is the difference between efficiency of a fuel and its efficiency?
it's the same thing. Over here, it's a topic, right? So topic means first we'll discuss about fuel and then we'll discuss about the efficiency, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So, but right now we are talking about fuel only. We are classifying it on the basis of its physical state.
Ma'am, I wrote this down.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, written.
You were saying something, sir. You wrote it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next is efficiency of fuel. Okay. So, fuel produce heat energy when they are burnt, right? So, energy is measured in joules. Okay. So, the amount of energy released in when 1 kg of fuel is burnt in air is known as its calorific value. The calorific value is used to measure the efficiency of fuel. Okay. And it is expressed as kilojoule per kg. And this is the formula. Okay. So you're going to write efficiency of fuel, first paragraph and the formula. This is the example which we'll be doing later on. Okay, not later on. After you are done with this, we'll be doing the example as
Ma'am, so I have to write the formula only, right?
well. You have to write the first paragraph and the formula.
The entire paragraph, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, just for information,
Yes, sir.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So after like in my
Hmm.
in my school only the question answers are left.
Hmm.
So after that we'll be doing chapter number 7, conservation of plants and animals.
Okay. So today we'll be done with the notes, and next class we'll be discussing question answer. We'll be done, right, with this chapter as well. So and in maths you started the I just again
Comparing
for
quantities.
yeah, comparing quantity. That's a easy chapter. Not easy, but good chapter. Okay. So done.
Ma'am, just one.
Okay. So we'll be doing when you have your next exams, UT or something.
What, ma'am?
You have your UTs, unit test,
Duties? I didn't understand the question.
unit test. In school,
Ma'am,
you
it
have
is mostly it is from 12th to 17th.
this 12th.
Arey, no,
The
ma'am.
next now. Okay, this is yeah. Okay.
In December, 2 months.
Okay. I was expecting that. Okay, the upcoming 12th because it's November. It will be coming na? Next.
My vacation is only my school is restarting from 8th. There's no possibility.
So right now you are on vacation. So right now you are in vacation.
No, ma'am. It'll start from 22nd.
22nd of October, right? Okay. So you have good days, at least 15 days. Hmm.
Ma'am, to be honest, I love school.
Okay.
I like to go to school more than staying at home.
Okay. Very strange. Most of the yeah, even in my family, my brother, my cousins, they also feel like going to schools because somewhere there is nobody to, ask them to study. Not study, it's not like that. There is nobody to, pick up the stick and they are like on their heads to do this, do that. They over there, no matter whether they are studying or not, nobody is there.
Only 4 years are left. Then school life is over.
Yes. Then the college life. But from next year onwards, now from ninth class onwards, you will have to be more responsible. Like, of course, when you go to higher classes, from ninth to 12th, you should be more responsible. Like, you have to pour more hard work in order to score very well. Because right now you have limited portion over there, 2 chapter, 3 chapter, but in ninth you'll be getting the entire book. So you have to prepare accordingly. Like revision is very much important because you'll be getting at the end of the semester, you'll be getting everything. So accordingly, you have to prepare.
Yes, ma'am. I have noted it down.
Okay, good. Hmm. We already did this ideal fuel, right? Properties. So now we are going to do, yeah, first of all, we are going to do about fire extinguisher because we missed that. Yes. Yeah. So fire extinguisher, right? So a fire extinguisher use a material to block or remove the supply of any one of the essential factors. So you have three essential factor, right? So fire extinguisher, what he do basically, he stop the supply of any of the essential factor that are required for the combustion to occur. Okay. So you have different type of fire extinguisher: water, dry powder form, and CO2. So water, how it works by reducing the temperature, right? And dry powder, we already discussed that by forming a barrier and blocking the oxygen supply for the fuel, and CO2 by blocking the oxygen and reducing the temperature. This is how they work. Okay. So what you're going to
Okay.
write? You're going to write hashtag fire extinguisher and then this table, extinguisher material and how it extinguishes fire.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so I have to write the first line. A fire extinguisher uses a material to block or remove.
Yes, the entire thing and then the table.
Yes, ma'am. I wrote it down.
Okay. Now, next we are going to do this. Types of combustion we already read. Okay. Now there are two types of combustion. One is complete and next is incomplete. Okay. So complete combustion occurs when there is enough oxygen available to completely use up the reactant, and incomplete when there is not enough. It produce high amount of energy, it produce low amount of energy. It result in formation of carbon dioxide, water, and energy. And carbon dioxide produced can cause global warming. It result in formation of carbon monoxide due to insufficient oxygen along with carbon dust and energy. And carbon monoxide produce can cause air pollution and respiratory problem. This carbon dioxide is causing global warming. This is causing air pollution and respiratory problem. The flame appears blue and the flame appears yellow. Clear? So you will write hashtag types of combustion, complete and incomplete.
Yes, ma'am, I've written it.
Okay, good. Now, this we already did. Mm, Now, flame. Flame we did, I think. That's what?
Yes, ma'am, I've written. I've wrote it down.
Yes. Okay. So this is what you are going to write. Okay. When you burn a candle, you have different color of flame. You are not going to draw the candle now, but first the middle zone. So these are the characteristics of middle zone. Luminous zone, these are the characteristics, and dark zone, these are the characteristics. Okay, so luminous or the middle one, lesser oxygen than the outer zone, incomplete or partial combustion, carbon particles produced due to incomplete combustion glow when burnt, and moderately hot. Non-luminous, maximum oxygen, complete combustion, blue in color, hottest zone. And dark or innermost, no oxygen, no very little or no combustion, grayish black in color due to accumulation of wax vapor that are not burnt and least hot. Okay,
Okay, ma'am, so what do I give the heading?
this one. Hashtag when we light a candle, the flame have different color zone depending on availability of oxygen.
Okay.
This is the last topic. Then we are done.
Ma'am, then can we start question answers if I'm right now only
Yes,
if I
yes.
finish? Oh. Yes, ma'am. I have noted it down.
Okay, sir. Very good. Mhm. So let's just start with the question answer. Yes. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the very first question, list condition under which combustion can take place. So presence of fuel, air and ignition temperature. Okay.
What
So
is this concept inside?
this is basically they are highlighting that below ignition temperature combustion cannot take place. This is not important. Okay. So like question number 1 and just write these. First, second,
Okay.
third.
Yeah, 735. Yes, I'm done. So thank you, ma'am.
And okay, so let's just quickly finish the fill in the blanks and then I will let you go. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you must be tired, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tomorrow what we will do is, well, yes, tomorrow I will be taking your class because you missed out 2 classes.
Ma'am, and oh yeah, okay, okay.
Yes,
Fine.
because you had, how was your annual day? It went well.
Yes, ma'am, I enjoyed.
Okay, so tomorrow I'll be taking your classes. So I'm planning to take your class for 2 hours. So let me know if you are available for 2 hours.
Oh yeah, so I won't have critical tutorial since it's Friday, so I would
So
be
tell me
free.
the timings. Is it okay if I keep your class from 3 to 5?
3 to 5? No, ma'am, that's not possible. I'll come at 2:40 and then
Okay, then 3:30 to 4:30 I have to keep it, right?
ma'am, maybe like 3:30. If you have then 3:30 to 5 or something like that.
Okay, 3:30 to 5. Okay, then I'll just keep it 3:30 to 5 so that we can cover the things. Okay.
Ma'am, we'll take science or math.
First, we'll complete the question answer and then we'll start with maths so that we are done with at least good part, right? Because it will hardly take, I guess, 30 minutes to complete the question answers. Okay. And after, because we don't have much question answers,